Hey guys, Anastasia here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel where I share amazing recipes that can help you grow long, thicker and healthier hair. So as you can see from my before and after looks, my hair has improved a lot due to my amazing recipes. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to use rosemary leaves to make this amazing hair treatment that can promote hair growth, thicken your hair, and even fight alopecia. So yeah, I just want to go ahead and prepare the leaves before we proceed to making the treatment. So first off, I'll have to go ahead and wash off the rosemary leaves. You want to make sure that they are thoroughly clean. And yeah, rinse out all the dust, all the dirt, and just wash it a couple of times just to make sure that it's really clean. I went ahead and placed the leaves in a pot. Then I added about 500 milliliters of water into the pot, and then I placed that on a stove and let it boil for about 5 minutes. Now it's ready, and I'm just going to go ahead and let it cool for a while before transferring it into my measuring cup. So yeah, I use a strainer to prevent any extra dirt or particles from getting into the tea. So we made the rosemary tea. It's very powerful, it smells amazing, and it's very healthy for the hair. So we're gonna look at some of the benefits of the rosemary leaves in a bit, but right now I'm just transferring the tea into my applicator bottle because it will be easier to apply on the hair. So rosemary promotes hair growth as it stimulates and improves blood circulation to the scalp, thus encouraging hair growth. It also has antibacterial properties which helps to keep our scalp healthy. So if you have all these scalp infections like dandruff and other stuff, rosemary is gonna help you to improve that condition. So now moving on, I'm going to show you guys how I apply this tea to my hair. And by the way, my hair is freshly washed and clean, and this is like the first step in my moisturizing process. So I want to get my hair a bit moist or wet, so I'm gonna spritz that to my scalp and to the length of my hair and just work it in, massage it into your scalp. Remember, I said it helps to increase blood circulation to the scalp, which helps to promote hair growth. So we want to make sure that you use this to massage your scalp. So after that, I'm just gonna twist it up. So the white stuff you're seeing is me applying my conditioner and oils after that, which I didn't show you in this video. But remember, whenever you apply water to your hair, you want to proceed by adding your leave-in conditioner and then seal it with an oil. So those are like the 3 steps that I always use, and I'm gonna use this tea as the first step. So yeah, instead of just using water, you can use this amazing tea that is very beneficial in promoting healthy, long and thick hair. I'll just go ahead again and repeat the process to all the other sections. Spritz the tea, apply my leave-in conditioner, seal with an oil, and then proceed to the next section just like that. So the oil I use is my DIY rosemary oil. I have a video on that on my channel, so you can check out my previous video to see how I made the oil. You can use this together, it's very powerful. So yeah, I use the rosemary spray, and then I start with the rosemary spray and then finish with the rosemary hair growth oil. So that's very powerful. It's amazing. With consistent use of this, you're gonna see amazing results. So yeah, like I said before, you don't want to just spritz it on your hair and let it be, because a lot of people have complained that their hair is always dry when they apply water to it and stuff. That's because you skip all the other parts. You cannot just apply water to your hair and let it be. You have to add in the leave-in conditioner or the styling cream, and then you seal with an oil. That will keep your hair moisturized for longer while promoting healthy hair. So yeah, make sure you do that. Do not skip. Even if you spray this on your hair within the week, you just want to make sure that you apply some leave-in conditioner and oil when you do that, to avoid complaining of dryness of your hair. And yeah, just make sure your hair is healthy and moisturized, because we know that moisturized hair will stop breakage or will prevent excessive breakage, excessive hair loss, and all of that. When your hair is dry, it's weak, and that's why it breaks off and you're never gonna see length. So make sure your hair is moisturized. So now let's look at more benefits of using rosemary in our hair routine or in our hair regimen. So rosemary also helps to relieve irritated, dry, flaky, and dandruff-ridden scalp. So if you suffer from itchy scalp, redness of the scalp, dandruff, and other scalp infections, rosemary is gonna help to relieve you of all of that. So that's amazing. It also helps to slow down premature graying and premature hair loss. So studies have shown that rosemary, with consistent use of rosemary, people have been able to grow their hair back that was lost due to alopecia and balding and stuff like that. So yeah, it also helps to darken and strengthen the hair. It also adds shine to the hair. So yeah, rosemary works amazing for our hair. So this is one herb that you don't want to sleep on. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you found value in it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notification so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.